Hello everybody, my name is Ryan and I am the Product Training Coordinator within the Training Department at WellnessLiving. This video will provide an overview of an improvement which will allow clients who attend a FitLIVE session to receive a notification once the FitLIVE recording has been uploaded to FitVid. This improvement involves FitLIVE and will allow clients who have attended a FitLIVE session to receive a notification once that FitLIVE recording has been uploaded to FitVid. So clients who attend a FitLIVE session with an attendance status of pending, checked in, or booked will receive a notification that they can view their recorded FitLIVE session via FitVid. So to see this functionality, the first thing we want to do is ensure that the correct notifications are turned on within the business. So for that, what we want to do is go up to our app drawer. We're going to click there. And then we're going to go down to Setup. We're going to click within Setup. Then once in Setup, we're just going to navigate down to Notifications, and then we're going to have that drop down, and then we're going to click on Client Notifications. So again, recorded FitLIVE sessions for classes and events will be uploaded, published, and made available to clients who are on the attendance list, again with a status of pending, checked in, or booked. So for this, again, since it's to do with classes and events, we want to look at the classes notifications, so we can go there and have that drop down. Then we're going to navigate down, and then we'll see this new option, which is class video published, and then underneath that it says sent to the client when a video is published for a class they attended. So if you want them to get that notification once that FitLIVE class is ended and it's going to be uploaded to FitVid on demand, then you want to make sure this is enabled, and then you can enable it for email, for text, and for push notifications as well. And then if we go down to events, same thing. We want to make sure we have that drop down. Then we can navigate down, and then we'll see the same option, which is event video published. And then it says the same thing. It says sent to the client when a video is published for an event they attended. Then we have the same options for email, SMS text message, or push notifications. So to show this functionality, what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate up to the schedule. So I'm going to host a class, host a FitLIVE session for a class, and then I'm going to have a client join it. We're going to see them in the participation list, which means that they will be marked as attended. Then we're going to go to the client's profile, and we're going to look up their contact history, and then we'll see that notification that the business had sent saying that the FitLIVE session has been uploaded to FitVid, and that FitVid video is now available for that client. So to do that, I'm just going to go up to schedule, and I'm going to click there. Now that we're within the schedule, I'm just going to navigate up to this lifting mechanics class, and I can click on that. And either I could start the FitLIVE session right here, but I want to view the attendance list first. So once that comes up, we can see that we have a participant or a client that has booked this class already. So again, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting this FitLIVE session as the staff member or as the host. Then I'm going to have Gabriel Jones, the client, join that session. You're going to see them in the participant list. And then after that, I'm going to close out that session, go into Gabriel's profile, and then we're going to see their contact history, and we're going to see that notification that was sent from the business saying to Gabriel that the FitVid session is available for them to view. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click on Start Virtual Session. So as you can see, I have started the FitLIVE session. It is recording, as we can see up here as well. And then within the participants list, if I click that, it is only me at the moment. So once the client joins, you're going to see the client in the participant list as well. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, again, within the FitLIVE session, it's still recording, and underneath participants, it has two, and we can see that Gabriel, the client, has joined after I admitted them into the session. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit out of the session. We're going to go to Gabriel's profile, like I said. We're going to look under their contact history, and then we're going to see that notification that's telling Gabriel that the FitLIVE session has ended, but the FitLIVE session has been uploaded to FitVid on demand, which is available for him to view. So we're going to go ahead and exit out of this, and then we'll go to Gabriel's profile. So as you can see, I am on Gabriel's profile, who is the client that we had just been dealing with. So from here, what we want to do is actually just navigate down to contact history. So we're going to click there. And once it comes up, right here, we can see that on December 2nd, 9:18 a.m., there was an automated email that had been sent, and this is the email that we want to see. So essentially, it's telling the client, Gabriel, that the FitLive session that they attended has now been uploaded to FitVid On Demand and is now available for their viewing pleasure. We can even go over to the 3-dot menu right here and click it, and then we can click on Show. Once we do this, it'll actually show us the email that had been sent to the client. And as you can see, it says a video of lifting mechanics class is now available. And it says, Dear Gabriel Jones, who is the client, a video of the virtual class you attended is now available. You can watch the video of lifting mechanics class here. So all the client has to do within that email is go over and they can click on Watch Session. Again, that's all I have to do. And then it's going to bring up that FitVid On Demand video for them that they can watch. And again, just to reiterate, within this improvement, it is for clients who have attended a FitLive session with an attendance status of pending, checked in, or booked, that they will receive a notification that they can view their recorded FitLive session via FitVid. And again, as I showed you, that notification can come in 3 different forms, which is email, SMS text message, and push notifications. And again, this can be very helpful for clients themselves because anytime that they do attend a FitLive session, once it's uploaded to FitVid On Demand, they're going to get that notification. They don't have to keep checking back on to see when it's going to be available. They're going to get a notification again via email, SMS, text, or push notification telling them that it is available. So they just have to wait for that notification. Then they can go on and they can view it again. And just to note, clients that do have an early or late cancel or no-show attendance status, they're not going to be able to get a notification with access to the recorded session. And that's it for this improvement.